Hi there, this is Sampath Ram. I hope you're doing well, staying safe at home during this coronavirus pandemic. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the heater issue that I had faced today morning, where I was able to get the water from the hot side of the tap, but it was not hot at all. It was cold, and I was wondering how to fix this problem. This is how I started to debug it. So I turn on the hot water tap, and hot water was not coming out anywhere in the house. And so I'm here in my garage, and this is the heater that I have. So the water was leaking a few days ago, and so I sealed everything up wherever I could possibly see a leak coming out. I sealed here on the bottom and also on the top. As you can see here, I sealed up using a silicone. I thought that it could be because of sealing completely and not having air to go inside, which might not have caused the flame, which indeed caused the hot water not to come out. But it was wrong, and here is how I started to debug again. I first checked the inlet to the house, where the water is going from the heater out into the house or not. Since water was coming out from all the taps in the house, I had no doubt that water connection is not right from the heater to the house. So what I did is I turned off the valve, and I also wanted to check if we are getting gas inlet to the heater or not. What I did is I opened up this gas inlet to this igniter and tried to first I shut this valve off, and then I opened this up and then slowly turned the gas valve on, and I was able to see the gas come out. I could hear the sound, so which confirmed me that gas connection is okay. So I turned that back off, connected it back in, and coming to this front tool right here, so we have a button where this gas connection is actually split into two, one to the pilot and another one to the actual burner. Pilot means imagine a flame that you would use to lit any bunch of wood. Think of it like that. So using this pilot, which allows a small amount of gas to go near the burner, which constantly will keep burning, as you can see here, which constantly is burning. Let me put a torchlight there, it'll be easier. So that's called a pilot signal. So today morning when I checked, the pilot signal was not there. Pilot light was not there, and which is why the burner was not turning on at all. No matter how hot I keep this, the gas was not coming in, and it was not burning. Like the flame was not there, and which is when I thought to ignite this pilot by myself, like using a lighter here. And the way how you do that is you connect the gas valve back on and turn back and turn it on, and then you change the mode from on to the pilot, like you change it, and then you would have access to pressing this button, which will allow the small amount of gas to go in to this small pipe and into this guy, where you can see this would also be explained here. As you can see, the thermocouple and then the pilot burner, which is what I have lit up today morning. Like I pressed this for about 10 seconds and then lighted that up, and it constantly kept burning after I released it. And then I changed it back to on position and I started the burner. Burner as in I started this the dial that shows the hotness. So let me put a torchlight to show you exactly what is in the heater. So as you can see, there is a burner, a big burner, and right beside it, as you can see, there's a small flame through the pilot burner, which means imagine you having a matchstick underneath the burner, always on, it's like that. Like whenever you increase the heat, like how hot your water needs to be using this tail, the burner would turn on accordingly. Like for example, as you can see, I'm going to change the burner to a little more hotter, and then watch what happens. As you can see, the burner started, and so I was able to get the hot water. I turned on the wall to the house, and I was able to get the hot water in the house. And that's how I debugged it. I hope this video helped you. Thank you very much for watching again. So in order to get access to this area, I had removed, let me change it back to warm. I've removed this guy, a small plate that would be in here sitting. It goes inside, and then it stirs there. And on top of that, I was having this guy right here as a protecting cover. So I removed this. It just comes off very easily. Just push it up, and then it comes off. Comes right off. And same thing with this. Push it up, and then it comes off. That's all, guys, I have for you today. I hope this video helped you. Stay safe and take care. Have a good one. Bye.